这里有店啊，所以我要问一下，一个可以赚多少钱 ？I think it's pretty good, amazing.
好走，
好走，
非常的好走。
She said, subscribe. Yeah. 厉害，谢谢。Today we are checking out some fashion stores and asking them how much they make every single month. I think it's gonna be very hard to get the exact amount that they make every month, but then let's give it a try. Let's get into this one and see. This is the first one. Let's see. They sell different kinds of clothes in here. Hello. 好，我要问一下啊，觉得这个服装生意好做吗？
还好吧。
还好。我可以问你一个月再少的钱可以赚多少钱吗？
我只是个店员，我不是老板，估计这块我不知道。
哦，好，明白了啊，谢谢啊。好，拜拜。All right, that way we didn't get lucky because the lady says she is not the boss and she can't give the information about how much they make every month when she is not the boss. 好，你觉得这个服装生意它好做吗？
我也不知道怎么跟你说，好像还行吧，因为我们也不是老板嘛。
哦，你不是老板？
对，我们是公司直营店来的。
哦，好，谢谢。So yeah, guys, without luck, I've been trying around. I've been asking some fashion stores about how much they make every single month, but I've not been lucky because I believe that most of them are employees and they don't know exactly how much they make at the stores. And since they are not the bosses, some of them tell me no, they can't tell me how much they make because here in China it's mostly confidential. But then what do you think about that side? Should we go find out from there? Okay, so here they sell kids clothes. 这里都是小孩的吗？好看，儿童的。对，你觉得这生意好做吗？
好啊。
做服装是儿童的。为什么？谢谢。所以这个儿童服装是吗？儿童服装好做吗？好做。这样的服装一个月可以赚多少钱？2-3万。所以小孩的是2-3万，可能差不多。They said maybe about 20,000 to 30,000.
我们两个是不是进口的呀？
对，你们两个。这里有店是吗？这里有店。所以我要问一下。Hello. 你会说英语吗？你
No English.
Subscribe. Yeah. 厉害，谢谢。So these pretty ladies right here said every single month they can make about 20 to 30,000 Chinese yuan. That's approximately about $3,000 or a little bit more every month just from this store. 没不在淘宝没有了。特卖。Okay, she says this store isn't online. You can only find the store physically. So this is the only location where you can find the store, and they make approximately about $3,000 or maybe a little bit more every single month. And of course, she's a really friendly person. I think this is the very first store that I've come to that have really given me a good amount, and they were really welcoming. The other stores were welcoming, but then they were maybe scared to say much because they are not the bosses. Of course, she is not the boss, but she actually could tell me some. Yeah, they sell lots of amazing stuff right here. And more for kids. It's pretty amazing. Okay, thank you so much. 谢谢. There's more clothes around here. I think this is the slightly more expensive side. Hello. And now we gotta visit the shoe store. I'm sure you guys are gonna love this one. Amazing shoes. So the prices right here, 99 Chinese yuan, 79 Chinese yuan, full bags. OK, 看一下吗？
可以呀。
好的，
可以买的。
可以买的吗？好的。我有老婆，所以我可以买。
对，那买给你老婆好不好
So they are saying that I should buy one of these. 这个多少
？99。
99.
不贵。
They said this is 99 Chinese yuan. which is approximately about maybe $15 or so. Yeah, a little bit over $15. Pretty, not too expensive, I think. So it's nice. So they said I should buy. I think I'm gonna buy one. I'll buy something from this store. 你觉得这个生意好做吗？
好走，
好做。
非常的好走。
Ah.
对，
She said owning a store or starting a store, starting a business like this is very good. 所以这是你的还是你在这里工作？
我这是打工的，你觉得我这么年轻能开得起这么大的一个店吗？
哇，你厉害啊！
我是打工的。
Respect. So she says she owns a store. Well, I don't know, but I think she owns a store. But it's pretty nice. 对，我可以买一个东西。
可以买呀买呀。
Yeah, she wants me to buy at least something. I think I'm gonna buy something. I don't know what I'm gonna buy yet, but I'll buy something. I will definitely buy something.
要买包包还是买鞋？
Me stuff. I think it's not easy to get a spot like this here in China. It's just beside the entrance to the supermarket over there. So the position is really, really good, and they get lots of customers every day. I think as compared to the previous store, this position is really good. So that's why I think if you are opening a store, you should make sure that you find a good position where you can get lots of amazing customers. And very soon I'm gonna ask her the big question, how much they make every month. I'm not sure she's gonna give me the answer, but I hope that she will give me the answer. If you wanna hear the answer, stick around. And as you can see behind me, there's lots of customers already. Well, not too many because it's a Monday. On Mondays, the stores are not that crowded. But over the weekends, it's really crowded. There's lots of amazing bags. This one is also 99 Chinese yuan, which is a little below $20. Yeah, a little below $20. I'm still checking on the one that I can buy. This one looks like a Louis Vuitton, and it's just 79 Chinese yuan. And it's got some sandals, some ladies sandals. The quality feels good in hand. I wish you guys could try it out, and I think it's good, pretty good. 你说的这个生意好做，是吗？你觉得这样的生意一个月刚刚多少钱？
这个我不知道哦。
你觉得太小的钱是多少？刚刚是多少？
就几万块钱都可以。
几万块钱？哦，我觉得厉害。
这么小的一个店能做到这样子也可以了呀。
也可以啊。
完全可以了。
我觉得你们的地方刚好，因为
对，刚好是出口嘛。
对，
大部分的全部都买完东西都会往这个门口走嘛。
然后住这里也很贵，是吗？
这个我就不懂了，因为这个是我们老板出的，我这个没有怎么问他，毕竟咱们是打工的嘛。
哦，明白了，明
对啊，
白了。
就算问老板也不可能说透露给你知道吗？
知道。So she says every single month they make at least about 70,000 Chinese yuan, which is about a little over $10,000 at least every single month. And I think they make that amount probably because of the position. Because let me show you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. That over there is the supermarket, and this right here is the store. So the position from the supermarket to the store is pretty accessible. So that's why I think it's good. And if you want to see me buy something from this store, stick around. 我要买一个东西。
你要买什么东西？
对，因为你很热情，所以我可以买。这里都是女生的是吗？
有男生的呀，你可以买一双给你老婆吗？
哦，这是为什么？因为我要买它一个东西。你知道男生刚刚不买很多东西，至于女生，你们喜欢买东西是吗？Well, buying stuffs around here is mostly for ladies, right? Ladies mostly love shopping and stuff. I'm a man. I don't want to buy a lot of stuff. I'm just trying to be frugal. I'm gonna try to find something pretty good and maybe cheap because of course I'm on a budget. So I hope I can find something nice and show you guys.
要买什么东西？买一样东西给你，一样东西给你老婆。
对，我看一下。Let's try to find something.
这个是最小的喽。对。
This one. I'm trying to buy this one. I think this is good. This purse is pretty good, not too big and not too small. It can come in handy for the ladies. So I want to buy something so I can support their business. So let's see how much it is, and of course I can get it. Yeah. 我喜欢这个。
我也喜欢这个。还有鞋呢？第二个鞋，第二双鞋。
这个应该可以。下一次我们可以过来。Yeah, this bag is the same. The same like this one right here. Right. Yeah, she just said it's the same like this one. And I just bought it for less than $10. That's great. 啊，谢谢。
大的那个好看，对不对？
Yep. Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice.
等一下回去老婆洗完，晚上又带了过来。
你也喜欢这个吗？
Yes.
Yes. She says she likes the bag, and I want to buy it. 对，我喜欢这个包。
你要这个包包是不是？
对，我要这个包。
还有那个美女飞出来的感觉。beautiful.
Beautiful. So she want to show me how it looks, and I think it's good. Wow. Yeah, you can see it, guys. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Amazing. Looks good on her. So I'm gonna buy this one. Yeah. She wanted to show me how it looks on the lady, and I think it's good because she likes it too.
可以啊，这个包可以啊。
好看。
说的那么流利哇！刚刚我都以为，对呀，刚刚我都以为我要跟你英语沟通了，害得我吓得我手机都要拿出来准备了。
都可以。
买哇！
我下一次。
不用下一次接着得买。
So I just got this bag for about $9. That's about 59 Chinese yuan, which is pretty good. Good deal, right? All right.
还要不要买？不要急着走了，不要急着走啊，继续买吗？等一下吗？急什么？你有没有事做？
我不是个大老板。
就是走了。等一下你下次过来的时候，你又找不到我家的店了。我跟你讲，你又迷路了。带多一点点来，是不是？对，下一次多一点。下一次多一点。好，谢谢啊。好，拜拜。So guys, I'm done with the shopping and now I'm heading back home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Willene. See you next time.